stepping into your own tropical oasis just 6 miles from Key West. After a day of fishing, unwind in your private oasis. Relax under the Tiki Hut, completed with lights and TV, and cool off in your saltwater pool. With parking up to 4 vehicles, RV hookup, plenty of space for trailers and boats, and more, this property perfectly caters to that Florida Keys lifestyle. Designed to blend the indoor and outdoor living, enjoy a screened-in patio that extends the living space from the kitchen and the family room. Perfect for entertaining or unwinding in comfort. This fully renovated turnkey home offers 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open living area with high-end finishings. Fully furnished and ready to be enjoyed. Keep it as an investment or make it your tropical retreat. Located just 6 miles from Key West, this home embodies the ultimate Keys lifestyle. Picture yourself spending days fishing and swimming and hosting barbecues and playing cornhole, all from the comfort of your own tropical retreat. With 80 feet of concrete dockage, a brand new boat lift, fishing station, boating and fishing couldn't be easier. Enjoy effortless access to both the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. Don't let this rare gem slip away. Your Key West dream home is awaiting.